Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass Xnxx age verification. As you may have noticed, several adult sites now require age verification in the UK and a few other countries. While restricting adult content to adults might seem like the right thing to do, not everyone is comfortable sharing sensitive information with some random, unverified company. But don't worry, it's entirely possible to access this site and many others from the UK or anywhere else in the world without going through the age verification process. Before I show you how, I'd really appreciate it if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this kind of content. It means a lot and helps me create even more useful videos. So, how do you unblock Xnxx in the UK? The answer comes down to one word: NordVPN. NordVPN is an app you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet, or smart TV, and it allows you to change your IP address. Once NordVPN is activated, your real IP address is hidden and replaced with the IP address of the VPN server you connected to. Your internet service provider won't be able to see what sites you visit, and those sites will think you are in the country where the VPN server is located. Let me show you quickly how it works. I'll show you on my computer because it's easier to see, but it's exactly the same process on iOS and Android. Let's say I want to access Xnxx. As you can see, I get a message asking me to verify my age. Now I choose a server location in my VPN. Let's go with Finland, for example. I click here, it's connecting, it only takes a few seconds, and there we go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Finland. My IP address has been replaced by the VPN server's IP address in Finland. If I check my IP on this page, you can see I now have a Finnish IP address. So, I've successfully changed my IP address in just a few clicks. Now, all I have to do is refresh the page and I can access the site without any restrictions. As you've seen, to access Xnxx and other adult sites without age verification, you need NordVPN. To try it out, visit vpnfolio.com/nord or click the link below this video. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market right now. It works very well for bypassing age verification. NordVPN has over 8,000 servers in 126 countries. It's a secure, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and more. You can use it on up to 10 devices at once. No speed limits, no bandwidth caps, strict no-logs policy. Very effective for bypassing all kinds of blocks. NordVPN is not free, it's a premium VPN, but it only costs £2.39 a month, cheaper than a coffee at Starbucks. It's the equivalent of 7 pennies per day, a negligible price considering the many benefits a VPN like NordVPN provides. To recap, the idea is to use NordVPN to hide your real IP address and replace it with the VPN server's IP. This way, you make the website you visit believe you are in another country. All you have to do is select Finland or any other country where age verification is not required from the list and connect. That's it. It's really that simple. NordVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. You can sign up, use the service for several weeks without any restrictions, and request a refund if it's not for you. To get your money back, just contact their customer support and ask for a refund. That's it. Just make sure to do it within 30 days. After that, it's too late. That said, I recommend keeping your subscription because NordVPN offers many other benefits. Browse and download privately, boost your connection security, avoid bandwidth throttling, access more content, save money, and much more. Forget about free VPNs. Free VPNs can be dangerous. They often make money by selling your personal data to third parties. They are also slow, unreliable, and don't offer unlimited bandwidth. In short, best to avoid them. That's why I recommend using NordVPN, by far the easiest and most effective way to bypass age verification. And remember, with this link, you'll get 73% off and 3 free months, and you're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk. If NordVPN doesn't work for you, I recommend trying ProtonVPN, which is also excellent. ProtonVPN is also a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android. They have over 14,000 servers in 122 countries. To try it out, visit vpnfolio.com/proton or click the link below this video. The price of ProtonVPN is also negligible, just £3.59 per month. That's just 11 pennies per day. ProtonVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. You can sign up, use the service for several weeks without any restrictions and request a refund if it's not for you. That's all for today. Now you know how to bypass Xnxx age verification. As you've seen, it's super easy. Final point, NordVPN and ProtonVPN are prohibited for minors. You must be of legal age to sign up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks and see you next time.